Alright, I'm going to show you really fast how to do Kreg jig pocket holes. So get this little piece that comes with your set. My wood is about 3/4 mark right there. Then you adjust these little gray pieces. You lift up this part and glide it to your 3/4 mark. That's if your wood is the same depth as mine. If not, you just match it to whatever this measures. And the gray part is covering up the little holes for 3/4. Then put it on the edge there. It'll stop at the gray marks. And the kit also comes with this little piece for putting your Kreg jig clamp on, if you have the specific one that comes for the Kreg jig. But I just have this clamp, and that's fine as long as you can get it really tight. So I'm going to clamp it here, but I make sure to leave these holes open here because that's where the sawdust comes out. As tight as you can. There we go. On this piece, this little round thing, you'll see on this side, it has the measurements here as well. On the ends here, this is a little tool that loosens it or tightens it. Just unloosen it, glide it over to the right measurement that matches this and this, and tighten it up, and you're ready to go. So I will show you. Okay. There you go. Super easy. Another cool thing about this is that you can undo these pieces and then put these ones back on like that for a narrow piece of wood, or you can even just use one and you just put the clamp on it the same way. Now I can use this to attach legs.